In this episode, we roll out in the EA Fairmont, we fail a burnout attempt, and we finally park it up at our new temporary location in South Auckland. Look at this, so cinematic, and we hit some limiter. Wong dong dong dong. So, in today's video, we're going to move EASYOZ over to the other side of Auckland, and hopefully we're going to make it there. I wasn't going to get one of the boys to pick it up in his tow truck and drive it over to the south side of Auckland for us, but I'm a little bit low on cash and I'm willing to risk the fine, so yeah, we'll see if it makes it. Yeah, this is after the fact anyway that I'll be posting this video, so hopefully it would have made it. If it doesn't make it, then this video is never going to be live. So I've got a couple of things that I need to do to it first before we can actually drive it over there. Currently it has no seat belts, it doesn't have any wipers, let alone a warrant of fitness or a rego. It doesn't have any of that shit. It has half an exhaust, but it still drives, so I will put some faith in trusty old girl and hopefully we will get from A to B today. Oh, and for those that might be asking, why do you want to move the car to the other side of Auckland? Well, having 11 cars on the driveway might be a cool flex and all that, but it really isn't. Because when you've got to move one car, you've got to move like another two to get one out. The shit gets old real quick, so it is not ideal. You're better off having like a barn or something, not a driveway full of cars, in my opinion. The struggle is real. Yeah, not ideal at all. So at the moment the EA is over there somewhere. As you can see, we got cars for Africa at the moment. So yeah, like I was saying, shit gets old real quick. The upside of this, most of the burnout pads, which is what this car was eventually going to see anyway, are based out in South Auckland. There's a new one that's just opened up in Brookby, recently opened up I would say, out in Brookby. I've seen a couple of the Fiji boys ripping that pad up and I'm fucking keen, so still got to build a diff for it, still got to get it tuned and whatnot, but hopefully once that's all sorted this thing will be ready to rip as in actually do some donuts and not rest in peace and end up in Takanini pick apart. Anyway, let's go get this thing sorted and then we'll move on. So we're going to put the wiper on today. Conveniently, stud on this side is actually snapped off, so I won't be able to put a wiper on that one, but I can put a wiper on this one here for the driver's side, which will be here. Passenger can just put your head out the window, wind the window down, don't be soft. And then yeah, hopefully be able to see through this. I might actually give it a wash so it looks a little bit less illegal. This is probably going to be the dodgiest looking car on the street, but don't give a fuck. Oh my god, what a stupid design. Fuck, just get in there, you prick. So it turns out that these aren't actually EA wipers, I think they're EF ones. So, it means I've misplaced my EA wipers somewhere in this shit show of a garage. So, let's go hunting and hopefully we find them. Alright, so I think I found them. Got myself a wiper blade. And, looks like these might be some EA wipers, because I have no idea what else they might be if they're not. so the EA is all washed up. Looks like $10. I'm not going to say $1 million. Where's the Grace? You ready to go? Hey, come on, you ready to go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Holy shit. Oh. Sorry, Spidey. Alright, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Wiper chick. You're the one wiper. Only the good stuff for you, my girl. Oh, pit stop for the girl. Hey Grace, come on. Sniff, sniff. Hey, you going for a sniff, sniff? Come on, Gracie. Let's go. Hey, careful. Do you want to go on the battle tank? You had one job, bro. You had one job. Fuck. Yeah. We made it. We made it. Alright, I can't make this shit up. I literally just got to work to park it up. And the son of a bitch has died on me. Literally, what? 6 meters from the gate. Can't be serious right now. It was weird though. I tried to do a skid up the other road and it just completely bogged down and cut out on me. So something's not right. Thankfully it made it all this way out here. Didn't die out on the street somewhere because it probably won't be complete by the time I come back to fix it. So we'll see if we can get this thing started, get it in behind the gate, lock it up, and we will leave it at that for now. Oh, okay. Turns out it could be the TFI module on the Dizzy because it just had no spark earlier, so that's what you get, you stupid distributor setup. Should have gone coil pack with this dumb thing. There's a reason why the intech went coil pack. That's why. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. Finally got the EA at its new temporary parking spot, shall we say. Hopefully I won't be here for a massive amount of time. I would like to get it back in my driveway once I've got some room, but for the time being I think it'll be good here. It's close to the burnout pads, and hopefully I'll have a bit of motivation to work on it when I get time after work and stuff, even on the weekends and whatnot. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate the support. Until next time, chirp chirp.